Welcome to Real Estate Tips by Daniel. Today we're going to be talking about things to fix in your home. Once you buy a home, you sometimes want to make it your own. And one of the advices that I give a lot of my brand new buyers or first-time home buyers is to live in your home for at least a year. You might find that once you've lived there for a year, those things that you wanted to change are no longer important. There's other things like maybe updating the HVAC system or updating the plumbing in the master bath is more important to you. So before you go updating something in your home, some of the key things to think about is it something that's going to work? If you make something so taste specific and is not somewhat neutral, and you find that you need to sell your home in a short period of time thereafter, you might find that you've put yourself outside the market. Also, if you don't live in $1 million home, there should be no reason why your kitchen is worth $100,000. So think about what you want to do in your kitchen and what kind of updates you're going to do to your home. Because in the long run, what's fashionable today is gone tomorrow. So remember that when trying to fix something in your home. And for tips like this, please make sure to reach out to us here at PES Homes or call me, Daniel, at Real Estate Tips by Daniel.